Problem number 12. It says Costas gets a 4-year bank loan to buy a new car that is priced at this much. So this is a problem in interest, guys. And this is the original quantity, also known as the principal, 20,987. And after the 4 years, Costas will have paid the bank a total of this much money. So that is the actual amount or the accumulated amount. There you go. What annual interest rate did the bank give him if the interest was compounded monthly? So they're asking me for the interest rate and the compounding frequency, N is 12 and the time is 4 years. So for these problems of interest, you need to use this formula. The accumulated amount is equal to the principal times 1 plus the interest rate over the compounding frequency times the compounding frequency times the number of years. And basically this is just a plug in the numbers type of problem. All you need to do is this. You have to substitute all the stuff in its proper place. That's it. So this is an equation that can be solved by, well, let me reduce it a little bit. This equals to this, 48, and then we have this. Okay, make sure to follow. I'm skipping some steps, right? So just make sure that you get all of this, and then finally you get all of this times 12. So that's gonna be R. That's how you compute all of this. And let's use the TI to calculate all of this. Okay, in here you can see the calculation that we need to do. The root of index 48 of this fraction minus 1 and all of that times 12. So let's do it in here. Here we go. So we get the structure of the root of x of index n. So control this one. Here we go. Here I'm going to write 48. In here I'm going to write this fraction. It's going to be 22,960 over 20,987. There you go. By the way, I forgot the parentheses. Parentheses in there. Let's continue here. Minus 1. Another parentheses. There you go. So we have the first factor and then times 12. Let's put that in nicely in another parenthesis. Times 12. There you go. And then enter. I should have written the approximation. Okay. If you want, I mean, this is okay. There is nothing wrong with this. But if you want the decimal approximation of this, just write the following. You have to press Control Enter, or you should go to Menu, and then Number, then Approximate to a fraction. Okay, and here what I wrote is this: the answer, which was all of this thing. I want the decimal approximation. That's what I want. So let's enter. What did I click on? I'm sorry, it's here, convert to decimal. This was wrong. It was convert to decimal. Once again, the answer to decimal, enter. 0.022. So that's it. All of this thing, guys, all of this thing here is approximately 0.0224. Okay, so memorize this number, 0.0224. Let's go back to the problem. So conclusion, R is roughly 0.0224, which is roughly, if we convert this to percentage, which is the way in which the R is usually written, this should be 2.25%, which is a different answer from the one in the book. In here, they actually, for I don't know for what reason. I mean, there are many errors in the book, guys. I think this is also another mistake. They give us an R of 4.5%, which is actually twice as this, if you notice. I don't know why they did this. I don't know how they obtained this solution. As far as I know, I'm doing everything correctly, and this should be the answer. If you spot any mistake in my reasoning, please let me know. But I think the book is wrong. The book is wrong in about 5 or 10% of the solutions to the problem, so it's not that unusual. So problem number 12 done.